It's not a design that you see every day. Welcome back to the channel. I have a unique home tour for you today in Claremore, Oklahoma. However, I'm going to be switching it up just a little bit, combining this home tour with some facts about its location as well. See, I find that if you're thinking about moving to Oklahoma, obviously you'd probably want to know more about the area that these homes are located in. So without further ado, let's take a look at Claremore, Oklahoma, a place where community spirit and comfort come together seamlessly. Claremore is located just north of Oklahoma's second largest city, Tulsa, Oklahoma. And if you're needing to commute to Tulsa, well, just know it's about a 35-minute drive via the highway to downtown Tulsa. Now, Claremore, while it is a smaller town, it has all of the grocery staples and fast food chains that you would need. The real magic of Claremore is its downtown area. It's just brimming with rustic charm, and it's full of local boutiques and eateries. I love taking a stroll downtown. It's so much fun. In Claremore, you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle with the cost of living that's not going to break the bank. It offers a cost-effective environment, making it an affordable yet thriving place to call home. Claremore boasts a rich cultural scene offering something for everyone. From local events to historical attractions, you'll always find something to explore and enjoy. Nestled in beautiful landscapes, Claremore is a visual delight. With parks, green spaces, and a serene atmosphere, it makes it an ideal place for nature lovers as well. Pretty great, right? Claremore is definitely one of my favorites out of the smaller towns around Tulsa. By the way, if you're new here, my name's Ryan Hensey. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams. And of course, I serve Tulsa as well as the surrounding areas as well. So whether you're looking to make a move now or in the future, I would love to connect with you and see how I can best assist you with your future real estate plans. Now, just a few minutes outside of downtown Claremore, you're going to find the home for today's tour. Welcome to your dream home, where new construction meets the perfect blend of modern luxury and rustic charm on a sprawling 1-acre lot. This magnificent residence offers 5 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 exquisitely designed bathrooms, and an expansive living space. As you enter, you're going to be greeted by the warm glow of a gas-burning fireplace in the inviting living room, which sets the stage for cozy gatherings and tranquil evenings. Step out onto the porch, where a second wood-burning fireplace invites you to bask in the beauty of the outdoors, making every season feel like a cozy retreat. Inside, you'll find thoughtful design that includes walk-in closets in every room, ensuring storage is never a concern. Hand-scraped wood floors throughout exude timeless elegance, adding character and warmth to every corner of this home. The heart of this home is an open-concept, large kitchen featuring granite countertops that glisten with sophistication. It's a culinary haven that makes cooking a joy and entertaining a breeze. And for your leisure, a spacious game room awaits, ready to accommodate your every form of entertainment. This brand new construction home epitomizes contemporary living, offering the perfect balance of comfort and style in one of Claremore's most coveted locations. It's where your vision of a perfect home truly comes to life. It's quite something, isn't it? Now, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe for more local lifestyle content and, of course, Oklahoma real estate. Share this video with a friend who might be thinking about moving to Oklahoma, and I'll see you in the next video.